Hello students, let us continue with our exercise 5.1. So I will just read question one by one and let us solve the answer. What is the disadvantage in comparing the line segment by mere observation? So while what is the question what they are asked, while just looking at the line, we can say it may be approximate to 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Just by observing, we cannot say what is it is actually or exactly. Exact measurement we are not able to mention just by observing. But by measuring, we can say exact measurement, right? So this is a difference between observation and measurement. By just observing, our measurement may be wrong. It may be always, it not may be correct. Sometimes it may be correct and sometimes the errors will come, as I informed you the point which is comes. And by just measuring, we come to know the actual measurement we have, right? Yes. Second question. Why it is better to use a divider than a ruler while measuring the length of line segment? So why it is better to use a divider while you compare it to ruler mean, as I informed you, divider gives us exact measurement while ruler cannot give. Sometimes the thickness of the ruler will differentiate the measurement, and also the angle, the way of angle which is present, it will also differentiate the measurement of a given line. So always we have to look into the divider which is gives us a perfect measurement. So the third question is, draw a line segment, say AB. AB is a line segment. Take any point C lying in between AB. Measure the length of AB, BC and AC. Is AB is equal to AC plus CB. Note, if A, B, C are any 3 points on a line such that AC plus CB is equal to AB, then we can measure that C lies between AB. So we have to draw a line where the line is called AB and one more point C. C should lie between AB. The point should lie between the AB. So I have marked it. For example, here AB is 7 centimeter. AB is how much? 7 centimeter. So I have taken AC as 3 centimeter. So I have marked 3 at 3 centimeter. So if I take AB 7 centimeter, from C to B, what is the measurement left? Yes, it is 4 centimeter. So BC is 4 centimeter. So here we come to know 3 AC plus BC. AC plus BC is 7 centimeter. That is AB. So hence I can write AB is equal to AC plus CB. Have you understood? I can also write AB is equal to AC plus CB. That 7 centimeter can be written as 3 plus 4 centimeter. That is what mentioned in the English alphabets. Have you understood? Yes, I hope you understood. If A, B, C are 3 points on a line such that AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 3 centimeter, AC is 8 centimeter. Okay, which one of these them lies between the other two? So here AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 3 centimeter, but AC is 8 centimeter. So here also we have to take a 2 points and one point is lies between the other. So here I would suggest you AC is a line because it is 8 centimeter. If we add 5 plus 3 centimeter, we get 8 centimeter. So AC is equal to AB plus BC. So Here AC is a line and B is the point which lies between AC. Have you understood? So AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 3 centimeter. So AC is totally 8 centimeter. Have you understood? Yes.